This is the first of a series of short videos to introduce artificial intelligence or AI to everyone who may be interested in learning more about this new and exciting technology. The aim is to educate and demystify what AI is, in an easy-to-understand narrative, without all the technical jargon. Fundamental to AI is machine learning. We will begin this series of short videos with this topic of machine learning. Did you know that machine learning is all around us? From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, it's impacting our daily lives. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn and make predictions without explicit programming. It's the technology behind many of the applications we use every day. Take fitness apps, for example. These apps use machine learning to track your activities and provide personalized insights into your health and fitness goals. Or think about voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They use machine learning algorithms to understand our speech patterns and respond to our commands. Navigation apps employ machine learning to analyze traffic patterns and suggest the fastest routes, saving us valuable time during our daily commutes. Even in the workplace, machine learning is at play. It helps us sift through massive amounts of data, extract valuable insights, and make informed decisions. And who can forget about music streaming platforms? They leverage machine learning algorithms to recommend songs based on our listening preferences. Machine learning has become an integral part of our lives, revolutionizing how we interact with technology. It's an exciting field with endless possibilities. If you're interested in learning more about machine learning and its applications, check out the links in the description below. Stay curious and keep exploring.